This might be the best 4-port USB 3.0 hub you can get right now. For the price of a bit over €8, it's very solid. Always the best moment while unboxing. Packaging is decent. It comes with the user manual and the product itself. I really like the clean look of the USB hub. It is so small and portable, the USB hub can fit in my pocket. You can use the USB hub with many devices like a console, a PC or a laptop like I used. It has 5 Gbps fast transmission because it's USB 3.0. USB 2.0 transmits only 480 Mbps. Really nice and useful product. If you want to buy it, the link is in my bio.